Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. Today let us discuss the very last exercise of your class 10 chapter 4. So this exercise is basically, it is based on reducing the linear equation, reducing the given equations into linear form. For example, let me explain you. Okay, so suppose you know the linear form of a equation. The general form of a linear equation is this. Okay, this is the general form of a linear equation. Now where the variable is x and variable is y. Yes, and the degree of the variable is 1. So what is a linear equation? Basically, linear equation is nothing but that equation whose degree is 1. On a linear equation, degree is 1. For example, 3x plus 2. Is this a linear equation? Yes, it is a linear equation. Degree of this is 1 and the variable power. Variable power is nothing but the highest power of the variable is degree. Here degree is 1, so this is a linear equation. Right? So, now suppose if I give you one equation in this way. E equals to say 1. Okay, so here it is E equals to say 0. So, is this a linear equation? Tell me in the chat box, in the comment section, is this a linear equation? No, it is not, because 3 by x I can write it as 3 into x power minus 1. See here, this 1 by x. X is in denominator, this 1 by x I can write as x power minus 1. Using the formula a 1 by a power m equal to a power minus m. Isn't it? So using this law of exponent, you can write x 1 by x as x power minus 1. X power minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Now this is the linear equation you have modified. Now the degree is minus 1 here. The highest power is minus 1. So minus 1 power is not a linear equation. Okay, so this equation has a degree minus 1. So we cannot say this is a linear equation. Linear equation degree should be 1. Right? But if you have any equation in this way, you can convert it into linear equation and then you can solve. Let's see how we can do it. Okay. So I hope the concept is clear now. Yes. Now, for example, the very first question given in your exercise is, have a look at the very first question given in the exercise. It is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 is equals to 2. Second equation is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay. Now, if you observe, just observe this. Just observe the two given equations. This is one linear equation. This is the second linear equation. In the first linear equation and second linear equation, you can see that the variable is in the denominator. Isn't it? Like the example I gave you 3 by x. The variable is in denominator. So here the degree is not 1. Right? So we can convert these linear equations to degree 1. Okay, that means we can convert these equations to linear equations and solve. Let us see how we can do. Now here very clearly, can I write this given equation as 5 into 1 by x minus 1? Any doubts in this here? 3 by x I can write it as 3 into 1 by x. Isn't it? 3 by x I can write as 3 into 1 by x, the same thing. 5 by x minus 1 I wrote as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus this is 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2. And the second equation given here is 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay. Now see better. In the first equation you can see this 1 by x minus 1 and in the second equation 1 by x minus 1 is common. So you have 1 by x minus 1 in both first equation and second equation. And 1 by y minus 2 and 1 by y minus 2 is common in first and second equation. So what we are going to do is, we will take let 1 by x minus 1 is equals to, let me take it as a. Okay. And 1 by y minus 2 I am taking it as b. Now here in the textbook they use a variable u and v. Ikkada u, ikkada v అని తీసుకుంటారు. ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ వేరియబుల్ m అని కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, వేరియబుల్ ఏం తీసుకున్నా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. దట్ ఇస్ నో ప్రాబ్లం ఎట్ ఆల్. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీ వేరియబుల్, రైట్? సో లెట్ us see now if this is equation 1, if this is equation 2. Okay, so now let us substitute 1 by x minus 1 equal to a in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes 5 into 1 by x minus 1 is a plus 1 by y minus 2 is b is equals to 2. And equation 2 becomes 6 into 1 by x minus 1 is 6 into a plus, you have minus, okay, 6 into a minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is b, that is equals to 1. Okay, now again I got two equations. Okay, let me take this equation as 3, this equation as 4. Right, now I need to solve. So now what should we do? We should solve equation 3 and 4. Now please observe equation 3 and 4 and tell me, is this a linear equation? Ikkada chudandi. What is the variable here? Variable is a and b. A and b are the variables. And what is the degree of this equation? It is 1. So now these are linear equations. So what did we do? Whatever equation is given to us, that is not linear. This question is not linear. But we converted the given equation into linear form. And now we are going to solve. Right? So let us see. Now solving equation 3 and 4, what am I going to get? Equation 3 is 5a plus 3b is equals to 2. Equation 4 is 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. I'm sorry, equation 3 is 5a plus b is equals to 2. Equation 4 is 6a minus 3b is 1. Now to solve these two equations, I should multiply equation 3 by 3. See here, b coefficient is 3. So I am multiplying by 3. Okay. So what are we doing? We are multiplying equation 3 by 3 and we are adding to equation 4. Okay. We shall add because here you have plus b and minus b. It will get cancelled. So let us do it here. So multiplying equation 3 by 3, you will get 3 5s are 15a plus 3b is equals to 6. 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Equation 4 lo change em ledha, as it is we are writing, no change. Now adding 16 plus 6, 15 plus 6 is 21a plus 3b minus 3b cancel, that is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7. A is equal to 7 upon 21. A I am getting it as 1 by 3. Okay, the value of A I got it as 1 by 3. Right? Now let us substitute A in equation, in any of the equation. Okay. So, yes. Let me substitute here. Substituting A is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 3 or 4, your wish. So if I am substituting in equation 3, 5a plus b is equals to 2. So 5a is 1 by 3 plus b is equals to 2. So 5 by 3 plus b is equals to 2. Now what is b value? You will get it as 2 minus 5 by 3, or b value is, if you take LCM is 3, you will have 3 2s are 6 minus 5, or b is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, b value also I got it as 1 by 3. A value also you got it as 1 by 3. A is equals to 1 by 3. Clear, beta? But what do you actually want? See here in the question, they had asked you to solve 5 by x minus 1, 1 by y minus 2, which means నాకు కావాల్సిన values అంటే x and y values కావాలి. Solve చేయడం అంటే ఏంటి? దీని values కావాలి కదా. But you want the value of x and y. But what did you actually get? You got the value of a and b. But what is a and what is b? See here. A is nothing but, okay, you have taken a is nothing but 1 by x minus 1. See here. You have considered a as 1 by x minus 1 and you have taken b as 1 by y minus 2. Okay. So, a value you got it as 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Reciprocal on both the sides. So, 3 is equal to x minus 1, or you can also cross multiply, same answer also. Now, x value is 3 plus 1 or x equals to 4. Okay, x value I got. Now, similarly, y value, b is 1 by 3 by 1 by y minus 2. Now, cross multiply, y minus 2 equal to 3. Y equal to 3 plus 2. Y value I am getting it as 5. Okay, so x equals to 4, y equal to 5. These are the values I got. Clear? So, this is not a linear equation given in the question, but we converted it into linear equation, solved it, and after getting this value a and b, again you substitute here to get x and y value. Is the question clear, beta? Let's proceed to second question now. X plus y by xy is equals to 2. x minus y by xy is equal to 6. Okay, so let's do the solution. Let me firstly separate the denominators. So x by xy, separate the denominator. Y by xy is equals to 2. And x by xy minus y by xy is equal to 6. So x and x cancel, y cancel, x cancel, y cancel. Okay. Now what is remaining? 1 by y plus 1 by x is equals to 2. And here 1 by y minus 1 by x is equals to 6. This question is more simple. Inka simple ga chudandi. So 1 by y. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 1 by y ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 by y ఉంది. Okay, you have 1 by y common. So let us take 1 by y equal to a. Your wish. 1 by x I am taking it as b. Okay, 1 by x here I have, and equation 2 also I have. This we are taking it as equation 1, equation 2. In equation 1 you have, equation 2 you have. Now equation 1 becomes 1 by y is a plus 1 by x is b is equals to 2, and equation 2 becomes 1 by y is b, 1 by y is a minus 1 by x is b is equals to 6. Now let this be equation 3 and 4. Now solve equation 3 and 4. So what are you going to get? A plus b is equals to 2. A minus b is equals to 6. So plus b minus b cancel. 2a is equals to 8. A is equals to 8 divided by 2. A value 4 is. So therefore a is equals to 4. Now substitute a is equals to 4. Substitute a is equals to 4 in equation 3. Any one equation you can take. So a plus b is equals to 2. A 4, so 4 plus 3 is equals to 2. B is equals to 2 minus 4. B value I am getting it as minus 2. Okay. So therefore a I got it as 4. B I got it as how much better? Minus 2. But what is a? A is nothing but 1 by y, isn't it? So a is equal to 1 by y. So 4 is equals to 1 by y. What is y? Reciprocal. Y is equals to 1 by 4 you will get. Okay. Similarly, b is nothing but 1 by x, isn't it? B is nothing but 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to minus 2. Now reciprocal, x is equals to 1 by minus 2 or x equal to minus 1 by 2 you will get. Clear till here? Everyone? So x equals to minus 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 4 is the solution. Okay, or you can write in the point minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Okay, so కంప్లీట్గా తెలుగులో చెప్తే ఇంగ్లీష్లో కావాలి అని అంటున్నారు, ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తే తెలుగులో కావాలి అని అంటున్నారు. సో ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు స్విచ్ బిట్వీన్ బోత్ ద లాంగ్వేజెస్ అండ్ ఐ హోప్ దిస్ విల్ సాటిస్ఫై బోత్ ది ఆడియన్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తాను, అగైన్ తెలుగులో కూడా రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ అన్ని రిపీట్ అవుతాయి, టెన్షన్ పడకండి, అండ్ స్లోగా చెప్తున్నాను, అర్థమవుతుంది. రైట్, థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. Right, so see, let us write the solution. Question 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2. ఎప్పుడు కూడా క్వశ్చన్ లో గివెన్ అండ్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. This is given. Now see here, this I can write it as 2 into 1 by root x. This step is not necessary. If you are understanding, you can eliminate this step. Okay, is equals to 2. 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equals to minus 1. So this is equation 3. This is equation 4. So clearly you can see in equation 3 and 4 what is common. Ikkada chudandi, 1 by root x equation 3, 4 renditlo undi. Okay, so I am taking it as a, and 1 by root y also you find it in both the equations, take it as b. So I can write this equation 1, this is, isn't it, and this is equation 2. I can write equation 1 as 2 into 1 by root x is a plus 3 into 1 by root y is b, that is equals to 2. Equation 2 I can write it as 4 into 1 by root x is a minus 9 into 1 by root y is b, that is equals to minus 1. Okay, so these are equation 3 and equation 4. Right, now let us solve. So solving equation 3 and 4. How shall we solve it? See, 2a plus 3b is equals to 2 and 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So here a coefficient is 2 and 4. So shall I multiply this entire equation by 2? Multiply చేస్తే నాకు 2 2s are 4 వస్తుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ a coefficient will be same. So I am multiplying. So what are we doing? Equation 3 we are multiplying by 2 and we are subtracting it from equation 4. Okay. So now equation 3 will be 4a plus 3 2s are 6b is equals to 2 2s are 4. Equation 4 write as it is. 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. Now subtract. 4a minus 4a cancel. 6b plus 9b is 15. b is equals to 5. b is equal to 5 by 15 or you will get b is equals to 1 by 3. Now let us substitute. b equal to 1 by 3 in any of the equation. Let me substitute in equation 3. Equation 3 is 2a plus 3b is equals to 2. So 2a plus 3 into b is 1 by 3 is equals to 2. 3 and 3 cancel. 2a plus 1 is equals to 2. 2a is equals to 2 minus 1 beta, transposing 1 to the other side. So 2a is equals to 1, a is equals to 1 by 2. So I got a and b value. Now we should substitute. Okay. So now let us take. See here. I have taken 1 by root x is equals to a and 1 by root y equal to b. See here. 1 by root x is a and 1 by root y is b. 1 by root x. A is what? A is 1 by 2. Right. So let us reciprocal. Root x is equals to 2. Now I want the value of x. X value కదా మనకు కావాలి. సో రూట్ x ఉంది. ఏం చేస్తే x value వస్తుంది? స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే. సో స్క్వేరింగ్ on both the sides. So squaring on both the sides you will find your x value. Root x whole square is equals to 2 square. Square and square root cancel. X is equals to 2 square is 4. Now 1 by root y is equals to b value is how much? 1 by 3. So let us reciprocal, same procedure. Now squaring to get the value of y, squaring on both the sides. Root y whole square is equals to 3. So y is equals to 9. Okay. So therefore x is equals to 4, y is equals to 9 is the solution. Clear beta? So let me also give you one more important information regarding my free class. Okay. So there is a free class which I'll be taking on Unacademy on 1st August 12 p.m. Okay, tomorrow 12 p.m. So do attend the free class. It's a completely free class. So I'll be teaching you the basic of trigonometry. I'll be starting trigonometry chapter there, and also I will be giving you poll questions. Okay, so I'll give you poll questions. So in this poll questions, quiz questions, you can participate, and you will also have leaderboard. Okay, you will also have leaderboard, which means I'll firstly teach the concept and I'll test you. Okay, so I'll give you some poll questions, some quiz questions, so that you can check whether you understood properly or not. And if you have any doubts, last 5 minutes again we shall have a doubt clearing there. Okay, so you will also have leaderboards wherein you can check where I am standing in the place. Okay, and yes. So this is a completely free session. I'll be explaining and discussing the concepts of trigonometry, and the class will be very interesting with lot of poll questions. So do participate in this class, and you will, the top students, the top learners in the leaderboard, the top students will receive certificates also. Okay, so don't forget to participate. All you need to do is, I will give you the link in the description box. So just click on that link. You will be directed to this page. Okay, so here you will find my profile picture and name. So here you will find a green color enroll button. So once you click on this enroll button, you will find this message. We will notify you when it is live. So whenever I am going live, so you can you will get a notification from Unacademy. Not only that, you can follow me. You can click on this name, so you will be directed to my profile. So there you can follow me. You'll have a button follow. So you can click on this follow. It is free. Okay, so you can follow me so that you'll get a notification of all my classes. Whenever I take classes, you'll get the notification. Okay, and do share this using this share button. Do share this with all your friends because we are going to have polls. We'll have leaderboards, and let's have very interesting leaderboard. Do share with all your friends and let's have a big number because polling session, if you have a very big number, it will be more interesting and fun, isn't it? And also you can join me on my plus courses. So I take plus classes Monday to Friday 4 p.m. and Monday, Wednesday, Friday 7:15 p.m. So you can join these classes by taking a subscription. And we will also have a special doubt clearing sessions in the plus classes, and plus students also have a feature of raise a hand wherein they can raise their hand actually talk with us, okay, in the class. So this is an amazing feature, right? So you can enroll for this. Use the code GD10 to get a 10% discount. And here also, once you click on this link beta, they will ask you a code. Okay, it is a free class. To unlock this free class, to enter into this free class, they will ask you one code, unlock code. So enter this code GD10. Okay, this also I'll mention in the description. Don't worry. Okay, and yes. And there are new batches which are starting from 19 July and also from this 2nd August we have new batches starting. These are the new batches which are starting. So you can enroll for this batch once you take the subscription. And also you can attend my classes. These are unlimited beta. You can attend unlimited classes. There is no limit on the number of batches you attend. Every Monday we have new batches coming up. You can join all the batches. Now the pricing for all this is, it is $12.50 per month. Okay, for all the subjects. Okay, for all the subjects, unlimited classes, it is $12.50. If you take a 1 year subscription, if you are taking, it is $12.50 per month, which means 15,000 per year, right? And again here, again you will get a 10% discount. How? If you use this code GD10, again you will get a 10% discount. So your price will be 1125. That means around 1,000. You will have all the subjects, very less than your tuition fees. Isn't it? For one subject you will pay more than 1,000, but here in 1,000 you will get all the features with all the top educators. You can learn all the subjects, right? So do enroll and do attend the free class also. Yes, let's proceed now. Fourth question. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. This is the first equation. 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. Solution. Given 6x plus 3y. Eppadaina given rali. Given 6x plus 3y is 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. So now, ఇక్కడ చూడండి xy ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా RHS side. Okay, so let us transpose this xy to LHS. So ఇక్కడ multiplication లో ఉంది. Once you transpose it to the other side, it becomes division. So 6x plus 3y divided by xy. Here it is in multiplication, transposing it is going into division, is equal to 6. Now separate the denominators like you did in this question. See, we have separated the denominators. Here xy undi common ga. We have separated x by xy, y by xy, similar to this question. Okay, so here you have 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6. X and x cancel, y and y cancel. 6 by y is 6 by y plus 3 by x is equals to 6. You can also write this as 6 into 1 by y plus 3 into 1 by x is equals to 6. This is your equation 1. Okay. Now the second equation, see here, 2x plus 4y by xy, told xy, transpose it to the other side. Now separate the denominator, same steps. Okay, divided by xy is equal to 5, x cancel, y cancel. 2 by y plus 4 by x is equals to 5. 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x is equals to 5. This is your equation 2. Now in your equation 1 and 2, you can clearly see what is common. 1 by y, 1 by x. 1 by y, 1 and 1 by x common. Isn't it? So now, let us consider 1 by y is equals to a, 1 by x equals to b. So my equation 1 becomes 6 into 1 by y is a plus 3 into 1 by x is b is equals to 6. And equation 2 becomes 2 into 1 by y is a plus 4 into 1 by x is b, that is equals to 5. This is your equation 3 and 4. Now let us solve equation 3 and 4. So what will you have see here? So equation 3 is nothing but it is 6a plus 3b is equals to 6, and equation 4 is 2a plus 4b is equals to 5. So clearly just see, if I multiply this equation 4 with 3, then multiply just 3 2s are 6 is so we are multiplying equation 3, we are subtracting it from equation 4 multiplied by 3. Equation 4 multiplied by 3 and identity subtraction. Difference is now. So 6a plus 3b is equal to 6, and 6a plus 12b is equals to 15. Now let us subtract and see. 6a minus 6a cancel. 3b minus 12b minus 9b is equals to minus 16 plus 6. Minus 16 plus 6 is minus 9. So b is equal to minus 9 divided by minus 9. B value I got it as 1. Okay, so b value we got it as 1. Now substitute b equal to 1. Okay. Substitute b is equals to 1 in equation, any equation. Okay, equation 4 తీసుకుంటే is simple గా ఉంది కదా. So 2a plus 4b is equals to 5. 2a plus 4 into b is 1 is equals to 5. 2a plus 4 is equals to 5. 2a is equals to 5 minus 4. So 2a equal to 1 వస్తుంది, a equal to 1 by 2. Simple calculation కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ explain చేయట్లేదు. Right? So now a and b values we got. Okay, so now, but a is equals to what? A is equal to 1 by y is equals to a, and b was 1 by x is b, isn't it? And ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక డౌట్ వస్తుంది అందరికి. సో yes, సో 1 by x a నే ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? 1 by y తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. 1 by y a తీసుకున్నాం కదా, 1 by y ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? 1 by x తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా, మీ ఇష్టం తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఎలా తీసుకున్నా వాల్యూ ఫైనల్ గా మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు దానికి కరెస్పాండింగ్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, so 1 by y is equals to a is 1 by 2. So y is equals to 2, simple reciprocal. 1 by x is equals to b is 1. So x is equals to 1 by 1, reciprocal is 1 years. So x is 1, y is 2 is the final values here. So మీరు ఒకవేళ 1 by y equal to b, 1 by x equal to a తీసుకున్న సేమ్ వస్తుంది. You can check it. Next, fifth bit, 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y is equal to minus 1. 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y is equals to 10. So let's do the solution now. Clearly you can see 5, this I can write as 5 into 1 by x plus y minus 2 into 1 by x minus y is minus 1. Equation to 15 by 1 by x plus y plus 7 into 1 by x minus y is equals to 10. Okay, so 1 by x plus y, 1 by x minus y is common in both the equations. So let us write now. Let us take 1 by x plus y is equals to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. So you will have equation 1, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So equation 1 becomes 5 into 1 by x plus y is a minus 2 into 1 by x minus y is b, that is equal to minus 1. Equation 2 becomes 15 into 1 by x plus y is a plus 7 into 1 by x minus y is b is equals to 10. This is your equation 3 and equation 4. Now we need to solve equation 3 and 4. So how shall we solve? See, 5a minus 2b equal to 1 and 15a plus 7b equals to 10. So very clearly I can see, if I multiply this 5 with 3, the first equation with 3, 5 3 is 15, I'll get this, isn't it? So let us multiply. So equation 3 we are multiplying by 3 and we are subtracting equation 4. Okay, so 15a minus 6b is equals to 3 and 15a plus 7b is equals to 10. Now subtract. Plus 15a minus 15a cancel. Minus 7b minus 6b is minus 13b is equals to, this is minus minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. Okay, so b is equals to minus 7 by minus 13. B is equal to 7 by 13 we are getting. Okay, so the b value we are getting it as 7 by 13. Is it 1 second yeah. This is minus 1 కదా ఇక్కడ కాపీ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి నన్ను ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 1 కదా ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 1 రాశాను సో మైనస్ 1 ఇది ఓకే సో మైనస్ 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఒకసారి కొంచెం నీట్ గా రాద్దాం ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 1 ఉంది మైనస్ 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మైనస్ 3 వస్తుంది మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ 3 మైనస్ 3 వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు మైనస్ 3 మైనస్ 10 మైనస్ 13 వస్తుంది ఓకే సో ఇది మైనస్ 13 డివైడెడ్ బై 13 అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 వస్తుంది రైట్ ఓకే చూడండి ఒక చిన్న సైన్ మిస్టేక్ తో కంప్లీట్ గా ప్రాబ్లం వాల్యూ రాంగ్ వస్తుంది సో నౌ లెట్ us substitute b is equals to 1 in equation 3 okay ఏదైనా ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ సో 5a minus 2b equal to minus 1 5a minus 2 into b is 1 equal to minus 1 5a minus 2 is minus 1 5a is equal to minus 1 transposing 2 to the other side plus 2 5a is 1 a is equals to 1 by 5 okay a value ఎంత 1 by 5 వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు చూడండి so a I got it as 1 by 5 b I got it as how much 1 but a is equals to 1 by x plus y is a and b is nothing but 1 by x minus y is b అవునా సో a అంటే ఎంత వచ్చింది 1 by 5 equal to 1 by x plus y రెసిప్రోకల్ చేయండి సో 5 equal to x plus y వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది అర్థమైందా x వాల్యూ y వాల్యూ రాలేదు ఇంతకు ముందు ఇదిగో చూడండి మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది డైరెక్ట్ ఇవి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే x వాల్యూ y వాల్యూ వచ్చేసింది కదా ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది ఇది ఎరేజ్ అయిపోయిందా ఇది ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసాము 1 by y is equals to a అంటే ఎంత వచ్చింది 1 by 2 సో y equal to 2 అని రాసాం కదా అండ్ ఇక్కడ 1 by x equal to b అంటే ఎంత వచ్చింది 1 సో x equal to 1 సో ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ గా x వాల్యూ y వాల్యూ వచ్చాయి కదా కానీ ఇక్కడ అలా రావట్లేదు మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తున్నాయి ఇది ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది ఓకే 1 సెకండ్ గివ్ మీ 1 సెకండ్ నాన్న నో ప్రాబ్లం ఇది ఇగ్నోర్ చేయండి ఇది ఓవర్లాప్ అయింది పక్క స్లైడ్ ఇక్కడ ఓవర్లాప్ అయింది ఓకే మళ్ళీ పోయింది రైట్ చలో రైట్ so now substituting I got 5 is equals to x plus y and let us substitute b equal to 1 by y minus x minus y cross multiply so x minus y equal to 1 you are getting that means again I am getting two equations so let this equation be 5 4 work అయిపోయిందిగా 3 4 now this is 5 and 6 now you need to solve x value y value all my final ga so solving equation 5 and 6 x plus y is equal to 5 is equation 5 x minus y equal to 1 so simple ga add cheyandi so you will have see here you will have x plus x is 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6 okay so finally here I can write 2x equal to 6 ochindi x equals to 6 divided by 2 x equal to 3 you will get now substitute now you will substitute x equal to 3 in which equation in equation 5 or 6 so you will get x plus y equal to 5 3 plus y equal to 5 y equal to 5 minus 3 or y equal to 2 is the final answer clear beta okay so x equal to 3 y equal to 2 is the final answer let's proceed to the next question now sixth one 2 by x plus 3 by y is 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is minus 2 okay so this is very simple compared to the previous question this is very simple clear ga ikkada chudandi 1 by x common kada aina sare oka step rastaam for everyone to understand okay so these are the similar steps which we are already doing since last 5 problems so now let 1 by x is common so I am taking it as a 1 by y is common taking it as b so equation 1 if this I am taking it as equation 1 if this is equation 2 equation 1 becomes 2a plus 3b is equals to 13 equation 2 becomes 5a minus 4b is equals to minus 2 this is your equation 3 this is your equation 4 now we need to solve both of them isn't it see here if I multiply this equation by 5 and if I multiply this equation by 2 5 2s are 10a I will get here 2 5s are 10a. Okay, now so what are we doing? We are multiplying equation 3 by 5 and subtracting equation 4 multiplied by 2. So what will we get here? So 5 into 2 is 10a plus 5 3 is a 15, b is equal to, this is 65, and 10a minus 8b is equals to minus 4. Okay, so subtracting, what are we getting? 10a minus 10a cancel. So 8 plus 15 gives me 23b is equals to 69. 65 plus 4. So b is equal to 69 divided by 23, or b value I am getting it as 3. Okay, 23 ones are 23, 3s are. Now substitute. Now what will you do? Substitute b equal to 3 in equation 3. Okay, 3 or 4, your wish. So 2a plus 3b equal to 13. 13. So 2a plus 3 into b is 3 is equals to 13. So 2a plus 3 is a 9 equal to 13. 2a is equal to 13 minus 9, you will get 4. So 2a is 4, a is 4 divided by 2, a value I am getting it as 1 by 2. Okay, a you are getting it as 1 by 2. Let me write it here. A I got it as 1 by 2, b I got it as 3. Okay, but what is a value? A you have taken it as 1 by x. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by x, or reciprocal x equal to 2. B is nothing but 1 by y. 1 by y is b. So reciprocal y will be, this I can write as 3 by 1. Reciprocal it will be 1 by 3. So x is 2, y is 1 by 3. These are the solutions. Clear, beta? Next, 7th question is same like 5th question. See, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. And 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. In the questions చేసాం కదా, సో ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ గా రాస్తాను. స్టెప్ చూడండి. So 1 by x minus y, I am taking, let 1 by x minus y is a, and 1 by x minus y I am taking it as b. Okay, so clear గా 1 by x plus y కామన్ కదా, a b అని తీసేసుకున్నాం, రైట్. సో ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 1, ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 2 అనుకుంటే, equation 1 ఏమవుతుంది? 10a plus 2b is equals to 4. I hope now you are all able to understand. Same steps. 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Okay. So now what shall we do? So ఇది ఒకవేళ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 2 కామన్ వస్తుంది చూడండి. From equation 1 I can take 2 common. So I'll have 5a plus b is equals to 2. Okay. 5a plus b equal to 2, లేదా ఇలా రాయండి. If I take 2 common, this is 4. Okay, from these two if I am taking 2 common, 10 లోంచి 2 common ఇస్తే 5a ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 2 common ఇస్తే 1b ఉంటుంది. And 5a plus b equal to 4 divided by 2, ఈ 2 ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే, so finally 5a plus b equal to 2 వస్తుంది. This is your equation 3 and this is your equation 4. So let us solve equation 3 and 4. Clear ga chudandi nana, this equation 3 if I multiply by 3, this equation 3 if I am multiplying by 3, 5 3 is a 15a. So ఇది వస్తుంది కదా, సో రాద్దాం. equation 3 multiplying by 3, equation 3 we are multiplying by 3 and subtracting equation 4. So 5 3 is a 15a plus 3b equal to 6, and equation 4 write as it is. Now subtract. 15a minus 15a cancel. This is 8b is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. Or b value 8 by 8, or b you will get it as 1. So b value you got it as 1. Now substitute. Okay. Now let us substitute b equal to 1 in equation 3. So what will you get? 5a plus b equal to 2. So 5a plus b is 1. That is equal to 2. 5a is equal to 2 minus 1 అంటే 1 వస్తుంది. a equal to 1 by 5 వచ్చింది. Now a I got it as 1 by 5. B I got it as how much beta? 1. But a is nothing but 1 by x minus y. That you got it as 1 by 5. Now cross multiply. So x minus y is 5. This is one more equation. Let us take it as 5. చెప్పాను కదా, 5th problem same వస్తుందని. And ఇది 1 by x minus y is 1. Okay. Or మీరు cross multiply చేస్తే x minus y 1 వస్తుంది. ఇది equation 6. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? Solve equation 5 and 6. ఇది 1 by x plus y ఇది చూడండి ఇది 1 by x plus y కదా. Okay, so 1 by x plus y. X plus y you are getting it as 5, x minus y you are getting it as 1. Plus y minus y cancel, 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 divided by 2 అంటే 3 వస్తుంది. X equal to 3 substitute చేయండి in equation 5 or 6. So ఏమొస్తుంది, so x plus y is 5, so 3 plus y is 5, so y equal to 5 minus 3 అంటే 2 వస్తుంది. So therefore x equal to 3, y equal to 2 is the solution. Yes. Next last question of this particular first bit lo last question. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4 first equation. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. ఓకేనా, ఇవి 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు మీకు. సో ఇప్పుడు వీటిని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తారు చూడండి. సో సొల్యూషన్, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ని చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. దీని ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ రాశాను. సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటి, 1 by 2 దీన్ని ఇలా మ్యాచ్గా 1 by 2 ఇటు సపరేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y, okay, is equal to minus 1 by 8. So clearly 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y is common in both the equations. So adedaithe common term undo you are assigning a value to it a, and 1 by 3x minus y we are assigning a value b. Okay, and we are taking this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So equation 1 becomes a plus b equal to 3 by 4. Now cross multiply, so 4 into a plus b is equals to 3, or I will get 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. This is your equation 3. Clear avade ikkada varaku? Okay, simple గా 3 by 4 ఉంది కాబట్టి cross multiply చేసి we are multiplying. Now equation 2 becomes 1 by 2, see here, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y is a, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y is b, that is equal to minus 1 by 8. Here you should take LCM. So you will have this as a by 2 minus b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. ఇక్కడ చేస్తే చూడండి. So LCM తీసుకుంటే a minus b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Cross multiply. Okay, or else ఈ 2 ఇది తీసుకెళ్ళండి. a minus b equal to minus 2 by 8. కట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది, 4. Okay, so now cross multiply. So finally you got a minus b equal to minus 1 by 4. Now cross multiply. 4 into a minus b is minus 1, or 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. This is your equation 4. Okay, so equation 3 minus equation 4 directly చేయొచ్చు. Minus చేయొచ్చు, add చేయొచ్చు. చూడండి, equation 3 is 4a plus 4b. Equation 4 is 4a minus 4b. Plus 4b minus 4b direct గా cancel అయితే కదా, add చేస్తే చాలు. Okay, so solving equation 3 and 4, I have 4a plus 4b is equals to how much, 3, and 4a 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. Okay, so add చేస్తే plus 4b minus 4b cancel, and 8a is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2, a is equal to 2 by 8, a is equals to a 1 by 4. Now substitute a equal to 1 by 4 in equation 3. Substitute చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, equation 3 ఏంటి ఇక్కడ రాసాం కదా, 4a plus 4b equal to 3. So 4 into a అంటే 1 by 4 plus 4b is equals to 3. 4 and 4 cancel. So 1 plus 4b equal to 3. 4b is equals to 3. This plus 1 I am transposing here, it becomes minus 1. So I have 3 minus 1 is 2. So b equal to 2 by 4 or b equal to 1 by 2. So b value I got 1 by 2. But a is nothing but, okay, now what is the value of a? A is nothing but 1 by 3x plus y. And b is nothing but 1 by 3x minus y. Isn't it? So b is, let me write little down. One second. And b we are writing 1 by 3x minus y. Yes. A is 1 by 3x plus y, B is 1 minus 3, 1 by 3x minus y. But A value got it as 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 3x plus y. Cross multiply 3x plus y is equals to 4 you will get. And here also, B value, how much did you get better? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 3x minus y. So 3x minus y you will get it as 2. Now again these are two equations. Let us take this as equation 5, equation 6. So solving equation 5 and 6. It is all just directly add చేయండి. Plus y minus y ఉంది కదా. So 3x plus y is 4 and 3x minus y is 2. Plus y minus y cancel. So 6x is equals to 8. X is equals to 8 divided by 6. ఎంత వస్తుంది? 2 3s are 2 4s are. X equals to 4 by 3 వచ్చింది. Okay. One second. 4 plus 2 8 ఎట్లా అవుతుంది కదా? ఇక చూడండి 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 divided by 6 అవుతుంది. So 6 1s are 6 1s are, x equal to 1 వస్తుంది. Okay. Now let us substitute x equal to 1 in equation. ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తారు? దేంతో సాల్వ్ చేస్తారు? 5 and 6 కదా, అందులో ఒకటి తీసుకోండి. So 3x plus y equal to 4. X equal to 1. So 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. So 3 plus y equal to 4 or y equal to 4 minus 3, y equal to 1. So you got x equal to 1, y equal to 1. These are the solutions. Here beta. So with this we completed the first bit of this particular exercise, and we shall learn second bit word problems. So you will have to form the numerical statement and then solve it. So you have 3 questions in second bit. I'll explain you in the next class. Okay. I hope this solving is clear. Solving వస్తేనే మీరు second bit లో మళ్ళీ అక్కడ కూడా solving ఏ చేయాలి, అవునా? But there one extra step you will do is you will frame the equation. Here see, equation is given to you. They are giving you the equation, you are solving it. There you should frame the equation and solve it. So we shall do it in the next class. I hope this class is very clear for you. If yes, don't forget to like the video. Yeah, like the video, comment and let me know if what did you feel good about this video, or did you understand it perfectly? And if you want any more chapters also, you can comment and let me know. And as per your comments, you need statistics, progressions and coordinate geometry. ఈ మూడు అడుగుతున్నారు. ఈ మూడు simultaneous గా నేను చేస్తాను. Okay. So you comment and let me know your requirement. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon also, because మీ కామెంట్స్ బట్టి నేను వీడియోస్ చేస్తాను. కానీ మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవ్వకపోతే మీకు తెలియదు నేను చేసింది లేదు కూడా. ఓకే. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.